On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, Otter Gang? Gang. Happy Friday. What is going on, everybody? Good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Whew, what a week. What a week, indeed. We want to know, how was your week? How was your trading week? Are you profitable? Are you wrecked? Are you break even? Even Steven, Pee Wee Herman, Jerome Powell. We've had a lot of good laughs this week, I tell you that much. A lot of good trades. The Discord caught that long yesterday. My God. Buddy. Oh, buddy. Just overall, I would say this has been a good week considering we have been range bound. Shout out to range bound. We like a good range. Let's say good morning, everybody. Bitcoin holding on here, trying to push back up. We'll see if it does want to continue. Okay, I won't talk like that, I promise. It's Friday, though. Happy Friday, everybody. Make sure that you're ready for the weekend. And you're ready to make some more money. Looks like Bitcoin here is struggling. Steve Ruggles looking down a little bit lower and a little bit slower. We'll see if it does want to pop off here, though. It could just hold. You know, Bitcoin likes to hold sometimes. So the price action has been absolute dog poop this morning. Okay? No real direction. It's probably listening to One Direction, you know, that band or whatever. Good morning, everybody. Let's see the good mornings, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful day. I'm excited for today. I don't know about you, but I'm always excited for a new day. Try to be prepared. We're always prepared. Now, put a 1 in the chat if you got, because I left you guys yesterday. I did. I left you guys yesterday. Okay. I left you guys yesterday with the idea that we would get an SFP and we would long it. I left you guys with that at the end of the live stream. And guess what? I posted it in the Discord. Okay. Put a 1 in the chat if you got long here. In anywhere in here. Put a 1 in the chat. I want to know. I want to know if you guys are paying attention or not. I need to know because damn Daniel. Grab the SFP in the Discord. Let's go. Damn Daniel. Let's go. Let's see. Everybody, I know our Discord, we all got long on it. Beautiful SFP, man. Doji and golfing. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Did we not? Oh, yeah, baby. Being an otter has been quite profitable. Right? I said, chop Freddy friends, one trade. For me, nothing special. Still interested in the sweep of the lows, baby. 101, 399 given in advance. We were also looking lower. We never got lower. A little lower and a little bit slower, everybody. But we were ready. We were ready. And we got it, baby. We got it. Oh, we got it. Oh, man. I had like a $1,500 day yesterday. Beautiful long. Beautiful day. Looks like we're pushing here. We got VWAP right in front of us, guys. So I just got to know, right? We got VWAP slap here. We got an SFP this morning, okay? Right when I opened up my chart, we got this SFP rollover. We also got the SFP up at the high in here. So let's be patient. Crypto face is long. We have an up bias now, okay? Because we know the man, the myth, the legend is long. That man's like a unicorn, man. He just in his own league. He's in his own league. God bless Crypto Face. Oh man, I think he's long somewhere in here on ETH, somewhere in here. So kudos to that man. Crushing it lately. Love it. Love it. Enjoy it when it's good, right? Thank you everybody for being here. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here, hanging out with me, Dusty, Suleiman. You're the very first liker of this video. Can you give me a free month's membership? Why don't you just Ronaldo, why don't you just come over to the Discord, hang out, you know, participate, and maybe we'll consider it in the future, man. We always giving away free memberships here. We do give away, you know, sponsorships eventually. We sponsor one person, and you know, I have a list, man. I have a list of all the people who have given free memberships. Look at the damn list. I don't know if you guys can see it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 people. I've extended 16. I've extended them to July 1st. Jesse, I've extended Jesse. I messaged Jesse personally, and I'm like, I know your free membership's almost over, but I'll extend you. So IKO, right? So we're very generous here. I do want people to succeed. It's not like we're one of those people who are like, you could never be part of our Discord. Okay. So we are a giving kind of community. Givers gain is how we roll, but we like to reward people who participate and hang out and who are good people, who are kind. And for all those who are paying, you know, it's only fair that they have a good fellow trader amongst them in our strong, tight-knit, otter gangster community. Okay? Good morning, Chili Hillis. Good morning, Oscar. Good morning, Jeffrey Stonecipher. Andrew Cameron as well. Good morning, gang. Good to see you guys. Zafir, Wave Cipher, what's going on, man? Good to see you. I know Wave Cipher caught that long with me. It was almost too easy. It was like scripted. Crypto Sammy, what's going on? Thank God it's Friday. We are doing our sale next week, though. The biggest sale. The summer sale. The white t-shirt party sale. All next week. Okay? So if you are going to join the Discord next week. Steve Hickey, what's going on? Good morning. Alexandra G. Shreya, what's going on? Good to see you. Shreyan. Good morning, Adam D. Look at the noggin on that otter. What's going on? Kalut, Donato, Cabrera, Paul Caruso. I love when you guys are back to back. When you pass, it gets my head going, you know. When you pass, okay, you got two guys, and you're on an airplane. Which way do you face? Okay. Do you face each other and look each other in the eye? Or does one turn around? Which way do you face when you pass another guy? When you're walking down the aisle of so this is your airplane, right? And you got your seats. Which way do you face? I need to know, guys. Which way do you face when you're walking down the aisle of the plane? Here's your plane, right? Here's your seats. Which way do you face? Do you face each other? Or do you look each other in the eyes? Is that kind of weird? You guys let me know. Back to back. Do you go back to back? What's the only I think like half cheek back to back. I think you both have to go back to back. What's the rule? Back to back for sure, right? Butt to butt, right? Turn around. Face to seats, of course. Okay. I'm glad we're clear on that, guys. As long as we're not looking each other in the eyes at the same time. All right. Good morning, Mucking. Good to see you, Wave Cypher. Andrew Cameron, what's going on? We've already started it with some Friday giggles, baby. Let's go. Oh, good morning, Crack. Good morning, Hickey. Good morning, Adam D, Paul Caruso, Rob S, Dragonfly, Herman's Moose. Good morning. Good to see you guys here. Defiant, what's going on? Let's finish up this week with a bang. Right now, this is looking like it wants to push, to be honest. We got a little bit time left on this hourly, though. The hourly, I've been looking. The hourly here, to me, still looks like it's going to roll over. The concern is here, guys. So if we're looking at charts right now, the concern is that we've come up here. Okay, we've SFP'd. Okay, if we're looking in here, we SFP'd this guy. Okay, so we were looking here in the Discord yesterday as well. So some of you who are up at, 9 p.m., I wasn't. I went for dinner with some friends last night and then went to bed early. And then I got a story for you guys last night. Oh my God. What a what a weird sleep. We'll put it that way. And then we have since broken down structurally. So if we're looking at this, we have mitigated the low here, so we have a change in character. So this does suggest that we could continue downwards, okay? Right? So we got higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Now on a higher term time frame, this would be our significant low that we do need to crack. Okay? But if we're using 50-minute market structure, this would be a mitigation. This would be a lower high, and we would look for a lower low. Okay, so that's the concern right now, everybody, is that we should typically be looking for shorts right now, unless proven otherwise, right? So what I would like to see is a break of this momentum and a retest. That would be great. That would give me bias to the upside, okay? But we could come into our golden pocket order block in here and get some sort of bounce as well. So I'm just being cautious this morning, okay? Just so you're well aware of what I'm thinking. Always trying to share the goods, right? Got to share the goods with you guys so that you guys are prepared alongside with me. But we can update along the way. I do want to continue to say good morning. Curtis Neal, what's going on, my man? Splashy Guitars, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, Sonny. Shamitras, what's going on? Adam D, Sonny Horwell, Dusty, Welsh Jesse, French Toaster, Candy to Candy. Whole day was a pump for alts. I hope the market doesn't take a nosedive once market opens. Yeah. We'll see. The coffee is good today. Let's go. Donato Cabrera, Crypto Rob. Nick, Adi, Broracol, what's going on, man? Long time no see. How you been, man? Good to see you, man. Dex Crypto, Gary, Stanley, Binksy. We got an artist in the chat. What's going on, man? Crypto trainee, good morning to you. Philip C. Burgess, good morning to you. Weren't you in One Direction? Yeah, I was. Oh, Florida scored again. Ali, what's going on? Ahmed, good morning to you. Muckin. All these guys got long. Look at all the longs off of that SFP, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. The gang got long on that SFP. Let's go, baby. Can discuss the trade? Yeah, we can discuss the trade. What? The trade right now? The trade right now is sitting on hands. We wait. Crypto Rob, what's going on? Good to see you. Oku, Dragonfly, Nick Musgrave in the chat. Let's see some beautiful axes in the chat. My man, bro, how you doing? How you doing, man? Hulong Sui at the top. Not I. He saw the hidden divs. Let's go. That hidden divs, bro. The hidden divs are beautiful. We can't tell them everything, Wave Cypher. The Discord knows about the hidden divs. Dude lost 40K in seconds. People who I'm not sure who that was. Is that Face? I mean, man just made a $2 million trade. I think he can afford the 40K. Okay, it's all relevant. It's like me losing $300. It's kind of funny, actually. I lose 300. He loses 40K. But that's part of it, man. We all want to scale up, right? Paper planes, what's going on? Shooting my shot. Can I get one? Just come over to the Discord, say good morning. Come and hang out. Milan, what's going on? Billy Baines, good morning. Guten Morgen, Krakenwagen. Love you, man. Thank you for being here. Craig Everett, Dingbat, yo. Afternoon from Scotland. My favorite places in the world, man. Love Scotland. I love Scotland. Scotland's the Dog's Bollocks, and they probably have a couple of pubs called the Dog's Bollocks there. Love it. I did all of Inverness. Did the whole Loch Ness. I actually caught the Loch Ness monster. I have a picture somewhere that I could share with you one day. I could find it, but it would take me a little bit to find. I actually caught it. I got a picture of me on top of it with the rope around its neck, and I was riding it through the loch. Good morning, all you nasty gangsters. Let's go. A little bit of chop in here. Good morning, Otter King. King Beaver, Lord Otter. Thank you, Burgess. Good to see you, man. Quick Smoker, what's going on? Doing IKEA flat packs all day. Yikes. IKEA construction is always fun. I always end up, as a carpenter, I would take I have a couple of grinders or a couple of tools where I've grinded the IKEA tool so I can put it inside my drill so I can build it faster. All the Allen keys and stuff. Put IKEA furniture to shame. 1 hour assembly. Yeah, right. Face to face. Oh man, I don't know. I think it's butt to butt is the way it has to be, man. It has to be butt to butt. We going up or down once market opens. So let's talk about it. See those axes in the chat. Give up? We're never giving up. 90s hip hop. Let's go. That's the way. That's the way. Good morning, everybody. Sorry if I missed you. Just updating the chat here. Seymour Liddy, my man. What's going on, brother? See, Seymour Liddy has a gifted membership. He's been in the Discord when it was free, and he constantly posted charts. He was always kind. There's an example, right, of people who have earned their way into our Discord, who are just good humans. Okay, people who have been with us for a long time. Here's another example. So thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the gang. Let's take a look at this stuff, okay? So Zooming out here, what do we see? Okay, we could see a lot of squiggles on the charts. Let's get rid of that. And this is good. Okay, this is good. We've been talking about this all week. We want to see ABC correction, Wyckoff accumulation. We want to see whatever in here. We do not want to see up only. Up only is going to be detrimental because then we're going to get a bearish divergence on a weekly, and an SFP of the high could be very detrimental to the price action. So I'm very concerned if we just, if today or if this week we just went up only, I'd be concerned. But we have put in basically a week of sideways, which is good. You can see even here, we had more ramping in the previous one. So you can see here, if we took this and we put this over here, right, we had more upwards price action, right? So that's fine. We are still very much in the league for looking for that return to 97 here. Very much so. If we get an ABC correction, we get ABC, and then we bounce and go. Cool, cool, cool. Doesn't really matter what we get. We're just prepared, okay? Right now, this week we've treated this like a range, and we've really, really managed to take advantage of it, okay? All fun intended. It's Friday, baby. But the daily is looking a little bit concerning, except for VWAP, okay? VWAP has started to ramp, okay? So if we look in here, you got to get out the microscope, okay? No, we're not talking about your thingy down there. We're talking about these here. So we have curvature, inward curvature, okay? You see when inward curvature occurs, what happens, right? What happens? Inward curvature. Inward curvature. Okay? Uptrend, right? Big, big green moves, okay? Not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying this is how it starts. Okay? This is how it starts. We're forecasting, okay? So we could be looking for, this could play out into Sunday, right? Maybe it's the weekend, the weekly close. But a nice little stall out. What did we have last time? We had a stall out, and then we had a rocket ship. We're going to have a stall out, and then hopefully a rocket ship, right? This has not let up. So even if we put in a couple of weeks, I'm sorry to say, but a couple of weeks in here, and then we go, right? Happy days. I think the more we chop here, ABC, corrective, the more we go up long term here. If we go up right away, I think it'll be very quick and very painful on the way down. Okay, I think it'll get SFP'd and then it'll be like, psych. Okay? So, sideways is good. That's my thought. Now, when we go into our 12-hour and we look at market cipher, we have a VWAP crossover here on the 12-hour, which is bullish. Okay, green dot confirmation. We just got that confirmation at 8 a.m. this morning. But we are in a range. It's very simple. Buy low, sell high, right? You got to set the trap, trade the trap, make money off the trap, okay? So we are in this ugly, ugly, ugly triangle. You guys know how much I like triangles, but it's what we're in right now. So we look for this to continue upwards, possibly a retracement, then a continuation, okay? Looking at our 4-hour. Our 4-hour is trying to bounce off the zero line, okay? This is important. If we can hold the zero line today, we can look for more upwards price action. If we don't hold the zero line today, we will look for a trigger wave to the downside. Yikes, okay? Boom. However, stochastics is holding up nicely, right? Stochastics is the colorful one. So if this is holding here, the RSI typically returns back to the stochastics. Bullish if we hold here. Okay, so how can we front run that? Right, so we get in our 3 or 2 or 1, and you can see the 3 is starting to round off. The 2 is below the zero line, but starting to push up. Money flow is coming out. So possibly a little bit down before up. That's what this is telling me, okay? The hourly, like I said, I'm concerned here. I would like to see something like that, playing like that, and that brings us to about mid-afternoon for a potential push, okay? So just using market cipher to forecast, it's up for your interpretation, okay? You're never going to be perfect, okay? But we can use it to build a bias, right? We had a perfect, beautiful, hidden bullish divergence. We'll talk about it now, Wave Cipher. Yesterday, with an SFP of the low. We won't tell them why we SFP'd this low and not this low. We can't tell them all of our secrets in the Discord. Okay? But we had our SFP, beautiful SFP, beautiful long, everybody. We all made beautiful, beautiful bags of money yesterday, okay? It was a great day for the Otter gang, okay? So, absolutely crushing it. But yeah. Well, where does this look like it wants to go? Just objectively looking at this price action, right? If we are pulling our range in here and we're looking at this, well, I would say the value area low. We do have some stopping points throughout here that we're prepared for. Boop. And boop. We'll see if we get there, okay? Golden pocket, order blocks, SFPs, okay? All the way down. So we're prepared for any area that we're looking for trades, and we'll see if we get it today, okay? Right now we're getting a little bull div. This is nice, actually. Oof. Bull div push. Bull div push. Come on, baby. Bull div push. It's a little bit risky in my opinion, but bull div push right now. Bull div push into the point of control. Very choppy at the POC, so I prefer down here, but heck, this could be the one. This could be the one. Bull div, okay? Could come back up to here easily. Got obviously resistance here, so coming into market open. Magnet mode snaps. Don't tell me what the magnet mode does. I know I hit control and the magnet goes on. Can you disappear? What is this thing? Magnet's telling me what's up today. So do we understand the plan? Oh man, people are giving away memberships and stuff. I'm not even paying attention. I was just all focused. I just pulled a holy balls trade fly. What's going on, man? I'm sorry about your hockey team, man. It's a shame. We're about to get knocked out tonight, man. We're about to get knocked out tonight. The Leafs lost 6-1 to Florida last game. An absolute embarrassment. Good morning, Ob. Good morning, Chris. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. I saw you down there, Crypto Billy. Good morning, man. Trade Fly in the chat as well. VJ. What's going on, VJ? We all love a good VJ. What's going on, Nelson and Jason and Quick Smoker and Dragonfly and Dusty? I kind of like this, guys. Not gonna lie. I kind of like this. I'm not gonna take it though. Trade Fly, my man. God bless you, bro. Let's see some Trade Flies in the chat for all those new members. And some Crypto Billies, baby. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. 10 gifted memberships. RD Lurker, Jeremy Lurker, Michael Paul Lurker, Alex Gray Lurker, Victor Nwasu Lurker, Billy Cibolin. What's going on, Lurkers? Vestige Lurker, AIY, Alby Lurker, and PUBG fan. I guess he's tried to start a PUBG YouTube, and maybe you're still doing it, man. Hopefully that's going all right for you, man. Thank you so much, Tradefly, for the gifted memberships, my brother. When is the monetization going back on your channel, man? It's been, you got over 1,000. When do I get to send you all these like emojis and memberships and stuff, man? Not fair. Not fair. Guys, go over and follow Tradefly. My man. Nick Musgrave. Dude, you don't have to do that. I love you, bro. Nick Musgrave, one of our mods, always helping out the channel. God bless you, bro. Sir James Lurker. Brian Baca Lurker. Good morning, Zena. Good to see you. Seek and Hunt. Uh-oh, don't mess with this guy. Lurker, Bulldog Lurker, Zach George Lurker, Simple Man Lurker. Man, Lurker show, man. We need a Lurker emoji is what we need. Lurker. V-Sun, I think you've said good morning before, and Crypto Gains has said good morning before. Good morning to you guys. Good morning, Crypto Alt Delete. What's going on, French Toaster? Gonna have a lot of Lurkers to call out. Yeah, that's the one, man. That's okay, man. That's okay. Crypto Chef, I believe you've said good morning before, but I'm going to call you a lurker because I haven't seen you say good morning this morning. Robert Hunter Lurker. Ahmad Mosquito Lurker. What's going on, man? Valosaf. Cam Lurker. Valentinas. If you're a lady, I mean, good morning. I mean, we only have like 7% of the audience is female. So shout out to the ladies. Thank you for being here. I know Tradefly has got all the ladies in his show. Damn, Daniel. Dan Bulmer. What's going on, Dan Bulmer? Gutco Lurker. I can't even say your name, man. Lurker. Ismart. Lurker. Thank you, everybody, for the gifted memberships. God bless you guys. French Toaster, the bravest toaster in all of crypto. Nick Musgrave, Tradefly, my guys. What's going on? Thank you guys so much for the gifted memberships. Anybody take this long? It's in an area that I don't like. That's my problem right now. It's kind of in no man's land. I don't have any key levels here. I mean, you could say SFP of this low here. That's kind of lame, though, in my opinion. Kind of lame. Yeah, it's lame. I don't like it. Not for me. Seymour Liddy, anyone looking for Solana short? I see you in the Discord. Seymour Liddy, let's take a look, man. See, this is what happens when you're part of the family. I was looking for Solana long, and I didn't take it, but double bottom, retest, continuation. This looks good. This looks like it wants to go to the top of the range at least. That looks decent. Money flow's trying to come up here. Momentum. Inverse head and shoulders down here. You might have a little push here. Still, Seymour Liddy. I'd be cautious right now. Yeah, this looks good here. You got money flow coming in, momentum coming up. You got a bounce off the zero line. You might be looking a little bit higher here, which means we could pop off on Bitcoin too. Okay, so I'd be patient there, Seymour Liddy, my man. Nasdaq taking on a little nosedive this morning. Let's go over and take a look there. Okay. Retesting previous highs, continuation here. Always got to mark out these previous highs. They always seem to get retested along the way up. Okay, so patience here. Yeah, I'm not interested in this trade. Maybe more down here. Or an SFP of the low. We'll see. Good morning, everybody. Jay Violet, good to see you as well. Shallows, SFP, because I FOMO longers. DDT, my man. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Have you done much on your channel yet, man? I'd love to share it out for you. Friend forever, man. Darren Does Things, been here from day one. Holy balls. Let's go. Crypto Sammy, bro, recall. Where would you look for the short? Is that, bro, recall, are you looking on Bitcoin here? I mean, you could short this down. Not looking for it here. You had a perfect tap of your POC. No view up slap, so just patience right now. You should be a soccer fan. Football, because of your misses. My wife's family, well, her uncle, I love her uncle. He's top notch, man. Top notch. He's like, you're gonna be an Aston Villa fan. That's what he said. That's what he said. So I became a Everton fan. Aston Villa, man. Wolverhampton. That's close to where my wife's from. Albino Rhino, good day, y'all. Good to see you, man. How's it going, Philly Skills? Sheesh. What's going on? Crypto Billy in the chat. Good morning, Curtis. Good to see you. Please don't give me the least results. You'll understand my mood. The mood will be grim come Monday. I don't know. I mean, the Oilers lost what 7-1 in the Stanley Cup Finals, and they came back and took it to Game 7. I mean, if the Leafs can bring it to Game 7, I'll be happy. But after last night's performance, my God, that was pathetic. Pathetic, man. Silver 3 rank on PUBG, is that like good? Is that good? I used to play video games. I was like a competitive Halo player when I was like 13. I got the poster and everything. Bungie used to send me out to play. I used to play a lot of video games. I kind of grew out of them. Counter-Strike, CS 1.5, DDoS tournaments. I was all about that life at one point. Internet cafes, Scouts and Knives, all the good stuff, man. Used to go to Quake tournaments. Anybody play Quake in here? That was good times, man. LAN parties. Good morning, Nova. Good morning, Chris. Good morning to you. I love Halo. We had a Halo tournament where we gave away some Chart Prime memberships. Ask OC guy how the tournament went. I have screenshots of the score. Ask in Cyber Cafe, man. In Toronto, Cyber Cafe. Downtown. I still have my Cyber Cafe membership card from Toronto. If you're talking about Toronto, the Cyber Cafe, I still have my actual card from it with my photograph. The Cyber Cafe, Toronto, man. Good times. Piper's singing. Okay, rolling over a little bit here. Good afternoon from India. Welcome, man. Thank you for being here. Wix Wife Fine 89. Good to see you. You're going to hit watch hours this month, but stuck at 600 subscribers. What? All right, we're going to do a giveaway. Guys, I need you guys to do me a favor here. I'm going to give away a membership here. 1 month membership because a bunch of people asked. You're going to go over to Crypto Billy's channel here. Billy Goat. I don't think it's Goat Tails 111. Let's try and get these guys up here. Where's the Billy Goat? I need the channel, man. Where's the channel? Can someone? It's because you can't find Billy Goat Tails when you search it, man. Alexandra G probably has that on fast track. Billy Goat Tails. Why doesn't it pop up, man? It's so hard. Givers gain 111. Such you guys making me work. Always making me work. Let's get this to at least 700. You're going to go over here. You're going to go to the video over here. I was watching Ben Cowan this morning. Very unproductive video. Unlock your potential, okay? You're going to go over to this video. We're not doing this giveaway until we reach at least 700 subscribers. I think we can do it. You guys can do it. You guys want... Now, if you're already a member, you can still go over and subscribe to Billy Goat Tales. Go over to this video. Comment Otter Gang, and we're going to do a beautiful giveaway. Okay? Go over here. Not that one. Or maybe Darren's sharing the right one. I don't know if he's sharing the right one. Go over this video. Comment Otter Gang. Subscribe to Billy Goat Tales. Guys, you guys got to understand that trading is cool and stuff, but you know what's really cool is working together and making money, changing your mindset, unlocking your potential. Think it, say it, do it, baby. All right? Think it, say it, do it, baby. Let's get these guys up. I want to see this subscriber count erect, okay? I want to see it Friday. I will give giveaways all day, every day. There's no trade to be had right now. We're chopping sideways. Looks like we're going to roll over. Okay? There's no trade right now. We're looking lower. Chopping sideways. I always let you know. I share everything I do. When I enter, when I exit, what I'm looking for, how I'm looking for it. Key levels, all that good stuff. We're looking lower. Okay? I've gone over the top-down analysis. If you haven't watched that, then go ahead. Check that out. But I need you guys to go over and pump up this channel. These guys are great. Givers game.
Have you ever had a
619,
dream?
not bad. Not bad. We can keep going. Okay? Maybe we'll do 2 giveaways. Maybe we'll do 2 giveaways if we get more subscribers. Let's pump these guys up, man. They got the watch hours. They just need subs. We need to get them to 1,000. What's 1,000 subs? We can do it. You know how long it took me? I can show you my YouTube analytics, man. I don't care. You know how long it took? I've been streaming for forever. How do I show this here? You guys are probably all going to try and hack me and something like that. That's all right. Like Piper says, come to my house. I'll show you what I have. Let's go lifetime here. Lifetime. I don't think I'm displaying anything that's confidential. I don't really care. All right. Look at this. Look at this chart. We have 0 subscribers. Okay. This is 2022. 0. Oh, look. 1, 3. December, January, February, March. Look at that. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's from July 2022 all the way to October 2023. Tell me you've done enough work. I showed up every single day. You see that spike right there? That's when CryptoFace sponsored me. I'll never forget it. You wonder why I love the guy so much, okay? You see the spike? CryptoFace sponsored me right there. CryptoFace sponsored me right there and shouted me out. God bless you, Face. I was maybe at 2,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, and he put me on. Okay, that's why I love the man, because he believed in me when not a lot of other people believed in me. Okay, $13,000 over 3 years. That's a big wage, guys. That's a big wage. Okay, and then it started to pick up maybe in November here. Okay. I ain't hiding anything. Crazy, eh? Crazy, eh? 2.5 years of streaming to my grandma. And Billy and Darren Does Things and Nick Musgrave and Curtis Neal. Showing up every day. Flat. Streaming to 2 people, man. That's how we do it. We work together now. Looks like we're rolling over, everybody. A little bit of a rollover. Not bad. Not bad here. Just this is horrible price action, everybody. Look at this. From here to here, it's just da 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 da. It's like all I hear is a typewriter. Pardon me. All I hear is a typewriter when I see price action like this. So we are doing a giveaway, everybody, today. Go over and subscribe to Billy Goat Tales, Giver's Gain. They go live on Tuesday nights on X, and they also go live on Sundays. And they they post lots of motivational experience. These guys know what they're talking about. Successful in business. You can always Humble yourself and learn something, okay? What are we at here? 44 comments. Come on, we gotta pump. We gotta pump. These
Have
are
you
rookie
ever
numbers.
had
Let's
a
go.
dream
628.
that felt so
I think we can
big?
still do better, guys. We're aiming for 700. If we hit 650, I'll do one month membership. If we hit 700, I'll do 2. Okay? I think we can do 700 today. Rookie numbers, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out, doing a giveaway. Bitcoin rolling over here. No trade so far. Just waiting. Trading is waiting. That's how we roll. Not looking too good here. Right, the mitigation of the low in here, breaking market structure, suggests we come down at minimum to here, but probabilistically, what a word. That's the biggest word this swear jar guy's ever used. Probabilistically. My God. We're coming down here. But we'll see. We'll see. I would like to see these lows hold. That would be bullish going into the weekend. But yesterday was a gong show. 3% move up, 2% move down. Whoop, whoop. And then a crawl up here. This was a beautiful VWAP slap that we were also well aware of in the Discord. I did take a long here while teaching with Piper. Ask Army Piper. We were long here. Good times. Gotta love that VWAP, baby. Look at the VWAP in here. Whoo. Ooh, baby. And then you get it again, man. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Look at that. Double VWAP slapperellis, man. You cannot ask for more. Look at that. You came down. You retested the previous highs. We gave that level in the Discord. You bottomed out. You slapped again, and you went. Okay? Then you came back, and you slapped again, and then you actually went. So, I mean, there was multiple pretty easy trade setups. Did anybody get in on those VWAP slaps yesterday? Retest the previous highs? Because we were looking there. We were definitely looking there. We definitely gave the swing low long in here in the Discord as well. I mean, we've just been printing money this week in our Discord. It's been really fun, man. I think I'm up like 2,800, 3,200 this week. Another great week. Put it in the bank. Keep trading, kicking ass, taking names, all that fun. What it's all about. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Nice battle going on here. Not really. Bulls are really fighting back here. That's what I see so far. Good battle. Good battle. No trade, though. This is Chop City. We don't want to get caught up in this right now. I am looking lower. I was looking for a short. This is probably... We had the SFP this morning. That would have been juicy. V-shape recovery. This is like flaccid. You know what I mean? This is really like... So, I would want to see a whoop volume come in and then a bop. That would be great. Get long here. Or we flip this and we go. We got VWAP above us too, acting as resistance too. So there's no reason to rush a trade this morning. Just patience will prevail as usual. As usual. If anything I can do is I can help you be a little bit more patient. $12-hour momentum wave or 12-minute coming down. 24 looks like a possible trigger wave here. So 24 looks good. 24 looks really good. 24 looks like it can continue up. We got ramping of the money flow in here. This looks good. Spike wave, V-shape recovery, trigger wave, VWAP crossover. So we could be looking 930 for a big move up. Okay. This tells me 930 we could move. This looks good. We can't base it solely off of one time frame, but we can definitely use it as a bias. It's pretty cheap of a trade. Oh, man. It's just not where I want to take a trade. I can't justify it. I can't justify it, guys. For me. I don't know about you guys, but it does look juicy in here. I'm still here. That's where I'm at. I want to see a volume sweep. I want to see the price action do a zoop and then a boop, okay? For those who are a little bit more risk adverse, maybe you want to swing trade here. I don't know what you're into, swing in pineapples, whatever, but I'm still looking here. I'm still looking here. Good morning, everybody. It's Monday's low. Four 3-minute SFPs, yeah. Shoop, shoop, shoop. Adam D, what's going on? Good to see you here. Milan, what's going on, everybody? They have a pill for that, Alex? Yeah, the flaccid. I don't know. The blue pill is flaccid. I don't know about that flaccid price action, bro. Just such a good word, isn't it? We're trying to get a 650 subs, and we're going to do a giveaway over at Billy Goat Tales over here, guys. So make sure you go over to this video, comment Otter Gang, and subscribe to Billy Goat Tales. We're at 634. I think we can do a little bit better than that, guys. If we get to 650, we do one giveaway. Go over to this video. Comment Otter Gang. We're going to do a giveaway. We just got to get those subs up to 650. So make sure you guys are subscribed to Givers Gang. Hey, you might learn something. Who would have thought? You're doing the drive today. Still, Steve Ruggles this morning, everybody. Steve Ruggles. How was everybody's trading week? You guys are commenting up. Up was at 60% last week. You guys were all crushing it. That's because you guys were all long. But 46% is really good. Anything above 40, I've noticed when it's been a tough week, it's below 40. Pardon me, I got a frog in my throat. A frog in my throat. So above 40 is good. Okay. It's not easy trading. Okay. It's not meant to be easy. That's why only, 5% survive. I would say probably 10% of those. I would say probably 50% of those 5% who are surviving are profitable. Down, break even, wrecked. Okay. So if you're break even, that's great. It's a great place to be as long as you're not moving your stop loss and you're following your rules. Okay. Break even is a great place to be because it's a very few. Maybe it's a little bit of over trading. Maybe it's taking profits a bit too early. Okay. It's very fine tuning when you get to break even. Okay. Down, in my opinion, means your strategy is broken. You haven't done enough back testing. You're taking trades that aren't setups. You're just pressing buy and sell. And these are all things we can work on. We work on them with our members in the Discord all the time of just, taking profits, mitigating risk. Okay, it's so important. It's so important. I mean, I take so many... You guys have seen it this week. I think Tuesday's stream was a good example. We took 4 trades on Tuesday. Basically 3 break evens and 1 profitable trade, right? Right? But your trading shouldn't look, all green all the time. That's not trading, right? It's got to be balance in the force. All right? There's a lot of times in my trading where it's like it'll look like this, right? Here, let me screenshot some of my trades recently, right? So it'll look like this where I get a $500 win, but then, that's 160. That's pretty much break even for me. 20, that's break even. 100, that's break even. Minus 300, that's a full stop out, okay? So just trading, right? These are like, okay, I'm wrong or stop loss to entry, okay? They're the break even trades, right? This is a pretty good win, right? This isn't a normal loss for me, right? So, wins, losses, but break even is very important. Break even allows you to keep your money. Okay, it's very important to keep your money because if you don't have capital, you don't have anything to trade with, right? Preservation of capital is your number one job. Okay? Because you got to give yourself enough time to compound, right? Small losses, small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses, small wins, small losses, big wins, okay? You must. That's a must if you want to be successful. And you don't have to be right all the time. You don't. Does this not work anymore? We can't figure out the reason why that's not working. Dave said he was going to fix it for me, but he hasn't. He didn't message me. Dave said he was going to help me. Maybe I'll message Dave instead of him I should have reached out to Dave. I can't blame Dave for not reaching out to me. I got to reach out to Dave. But fortunately, we have beautiful people named, well, Alexandra G. And she gave me this to paste for you guys. The people have spoken. They want a daily degen? What? I don't degen, bro. That's your thing, man. I ain't gonna steal your daily degen. That's your thing, man. You invented the daily degen. I can't be. That's copyright, bro. I'm gonna get copyright infringement, Tradefly. I can't do that. That's not me. Tradefly, you guys gotta go watch Tradefly. You guys gotta go watch Tradefly if you want the daily degen. You come here, you just get a bunch of smack talking scalping. That's what you get here. You want the daily degen? Go over there. You want the morning market report? You go to Army Piper. You want to be a better human and giver's gain? You go to Billy Goat Tales. You subscribe, right? You got to have balance in the force. This is a nice SFP, guys. Oh, baby. We're waiting. See? This is why you don't rush that long, okay? That's why we don't rush so long. See, they love the daily degen. If I was going to daily degen, I would trade Pengu. That would be my daily degen. Okay, let's go over to Pengu then. We'll do one for the people, okay? I'm going to start trading because people who grew up on Pengu. Up or down, guys? Up or down? One for up. AlexO's daily degen is as simple as upping his R percentage or adding leverage. Yeah, that's it, bro. One is up, two is down. One is up, two is down. We're trading Pengu. We'll do it one time for you guys. So we're shorting Pengu. It seems like we're shorting Pengu. Okay. We're going to put what? How much money on this thing? $3,000? $4,000? 20x leverage. Open short. Mark it in. You guys are... What? Did it just disappear? All right, we're short on Pengu. You guys are brutal, man. Stop loss above the high. Can't believe you guys are doing this to me. You got $3,500 on Pengu. You guys are messed up, bro. You guys are messed up. We are shorting the penguin coin. We're shorting the penguin coin, everybody. Should we back up the truck on it? We're up $2, guys. Holy smokes, man. We're up $2. Can't believe you guys talked me into this. Dump it, Bitcoin. Bitcoin gonna bounce though, man. I've never traded the Pengu coin. Do I even have Pengu on here? Okay, here's Pengu. We're short here. We're short. We're short here. Where are we coming? Down to the lows? We're gonna go to the 786. That's where we'll take this trade. 786 here. Set an alarm. Created. I've just done my first ever daily degen for TradeFly, of course, and the gang. TradeFly, you get me into trouble, man. This is supposed to be actually trading, man. This is supposed to be trading, bro. Pengu's printing, baby. Let's go. You guys are crazy. Where we got TP? Down here? 786, right? TP is the 786. Swing low to swing high. TP 786 right there. All right. You guys stacking bags here. Not looking too good. Pengu's dumping, baby. Pengu's dumping. Let's go. I can't believe you guys are making me trade a poo coin. Oh, man. Bitcoin's bouncing. Does that mean Pengu's bouncing too? Oh, guys, we're in trouble. We're in trouble. Can't believe. Retest the previous lows. Continuation down. We got too much going on here. He's going to get addicted. Oh, man. We're bouncing. We're bouncing. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. We are here live every single morning. Scalping Bitcoin, trading every single day. Live for you guys, hanging out. Thank you for smacking up those like buttons. We only got 130 likes here. We're normally trying to get to 300 likes here. Got 400 people in the chat. I would really appreciate if you guys would spam that like button. Subscribe if you are new. Thank you for being here. We are doing a giveaway today. Billy Goat Tails over here. Giver's Gain. Okay, we're trying to get to 650 here. We're at 636. You go over here, you comment Otter Gang, and we're going to do a giveaway for memberships here. So make sure you guys are subscribed to Billy. Go into this place, comment Otter Gang. Go check out the video. Make sure you guys are supporting fellow creators who are doing it right. And we are currently down on Pengu. We're break even on Pengu. I don't know what you guys got me into here. You guys said short, man. We're in a 1-to-1 trade. We're risking 30 to make 30. All right. We'll see if we roll over here. We're looking for Bitcoin to retest the lows and dump right now and come down here. So we're looking for this to get rejected and then roll over. I can't believe you guys made me. I just popped my daily degen. That's for TradeFly, man. His hockey team got slapped yesterday. Unfortunately. Dude, what a bad goal, too. what a bad goal from the red line. If this is the hockey net right here, and this is where the guy scored from, right here. He shot it sideways and scored. Such a bad way to lose, bro. Such a bad way to lose. What a kick in the nads. Oh, man. Sorry, TradeFly. Sorry your hockey team got slapped. We're going to get stopped out for $30 here, guys. Bitcoin bouncing right now. Still waiting for lower, though. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. Look at all the green BitBoy green dots here. It's trying to push. We do like that 24-minute here on Bitcoin. We'll see if we do want to push up. Thank you, everybody, for being here on this Friday. A little bit of chop, but we'll see if we do get a continuation here on the Bitcoin price action. Right now, looking a little bit dismal, but falling wedge. Okay, so this falling wedge can break to the upside if it decides to go. Pengu's looking like poop. Looks like we're going to get stopped out. You guys were all screaming short. You guys were all screaming short. We got double bottom bounce here. Yeah, I think we're in trouble here on the Pengu, guys. I don't think we chose the right direction. All right, we're gonna be 0 for 1 on the Pengu trade here. Doesn't look too pretty. Shout out to you guys for the daily degen. Come on, Pengu, push it. Knock me out, baby. I guess you do it for the people, right? This is the people's channel. We'll talk to you later, Pengu. Maybe we can daily degen you back into health. Looks like Bitcoin's pushing here. Add to it, right? I should add to it. Doji engulfing hammer candle continuation up for Bitcoin right now. No trade. Still waiting. I think Pengu is gonna rip eventually. That those pudgy penguin things, I think they're gonna do well. Double down. No way. No way, man. I don't trade poop coins, man. What's going on, JR? Good to see you, bro. Looks like one of my trades. Are you a degen, Jason? Pengu long, Keen Bean just counter traded everybody. Let's go, baby. Good job, man. Good job. You guys said long. Look at all the twos in the chat. Two. I seen more tutus than I seen in a ballerina movie, okay? How not to trade. How not to trade. Bitcoin pushing back here. Looking good. Weird SFP this morning. Pengu's still alive, everybody. Look. I haven't moved the stop loss. Pengu's still holding strong here. Look at that. We're going to get a double top and it's going to dump right down on everybody's head. A little bit of wiggle room. Look at that. Pengu's still killing it, man. Billy went long on Pengu. Just so everybody's aware, Billy counter traded me. Everybody. Look, Billy's up 14%. I just got stopped out of Pengu. Billy's up. Billy counter traded me. Billy be crushing it. Can't believe you guys said 2. I'm upset with you guys now. All right, back to actually trading here. We lost $22 on our... Is it $22? No, it's more than $22. $32, man. That's life-changing for some people. Nice bounce out of here for Bitcoin. 9:09, so we got 20 minutes till market opens, okay? A little bit of patience here. Nice pushback. I still like lower for market open. It's Friday. I guess we could do a daily degen on a Friday, but I don't know what you guys are into, man. Making me degen. Very uncomfortable. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. God bless every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. We are all here kicking ass, taking names, lots of trades here. If you are new here, thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out. I do appreciate you guys. What about Fartcoin? Hit the reverse button. Never hit that button, everybody. If you are new here, we're live trading Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Bitcoin, scalping. See what we get, man. We'll see what we get. Thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out. Good times. We are doing a giveaway for if we can get Billy Go Tails here up to 650. We'll do a giveaway here, guys. So we need to get some more subscribers coming in here. Make sure you go over here. Givers Game. We need 11 more subscribers for a giveaway. Make sure you go over to this video. Type Otter Gang in the chat, okay? Otter Gang, and we'll do the giveaway at the end of the show, which is at 10 a.m. Otter Gang in the chat, please. And we're doing the giveaway at the end of the day. Or at 10 a.m., sorry. End of the stream. I got to get this Pengu off my screen. It kind of ekes me that I took a trade like that, but that's fine. Fine, you do it for the people. NASDAQ bouncing here. Nice bounce for the NAS. Pengu. You guys got me upset. I'm going to have to talk to TradeFly and his daily degen. TradeFly crushes his daily degen, doesn't he? Maybe his people are more in tune with the degening. Boo! Yeah, that's the one. That's the one, Reggie. Don't be a nambe. Tax lover, what's going on? Otter Gang. Good to see you, Fax Lover. Good morning. What's going on, Johnson? Good to see you. Frost, what's going on, man? Gonna go refill my coffee. Lick my wounds. Lick my wounds. Oh, man. Too funny. And I'm gonna have a tinkle. Okay? I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
All right. Thank you, everybody, for being here, sticking with us. Much love to every single one of you guys.
AlexOCrypto.
See what we get here. Bitcoin chopping up. Pengu popping off. Good evening to Xing Gains for Life. If you are new here, thank you for being here. We are doing a giveaway today. Good morning. See what we get. We did have news this morning, okay? Bit of a nothing burger. Building permits came in, okay? Building permits coming down from forecast. 1.41, okay, million. And 1.36. So coming in a little bit low for housing starts and building permits. So not that good. Not that good. It fell. Seasonally adjusted. I guess too, like people aren't building as much in the winter. Can't pour a foundation when the frost line is 4 feet in Canada. Can you believe that, Billy? We got 4-foot frost line here, bud. That's crazy, isn't it? We got to dig 4 feet for our fence posts. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy, man. Bitcoin trying to go here, little SFP. Not convinced yet that this is going to go up. 24-minute looking good. Market cipher wants to crossover. VWAP crossover, money flow ramping back up. Okay, so there's an opportunity here for a potential push, but right now it's just been Chop City. A little bit of patience here. I am looking a little lower. You have VWAP to contend with. If we're going to push here, I'd like to see this continuation, mitigation of the high. Okay. If we come lower, we're looking for some sort of bottoming structure in here where we can justify a long, or we look for continuation down, SFP the lows, and then continue up. Okay. Market cipher overall. Concerning. 4 hour is going to be kind of the tell today. So by around 4 o'clock, our 4 hour market cipher will tell us if we're bouncing off the zero line or if we're rolling over. Okay, so that's my concern for today. However, we do have hidden bullish divergence to push us up here. So we would like to see this bounce and continue. Okay. The 2 hour trigger wave to the downside, however, still battling that zero line here. Okay, so it's kind of indecisive, really. And this is what you get when you get range-bound price action. As we can see in here, we're very range-bound. So when range-bound, eventually it tightens. And then you get a decision or a fake out. And from there, we try to position ourselves as best as possible. We were able to long in here in the Discord yesterday. Very nice trade. We were also able to long the VWAP slap. Okay, so very, very good. We were prepared for the SFP. I mean, the Discord has been absolutely crushing it. We do have a big sale starting next week. For anybody who does want to join, just wait till next week. And we'll get you set up. A little bit of patience here. Thank you, everybody, for smacking up that like button. We got 170 likes. I typically like to get to 200, if you guys wouldn't mind. And we are doing the giveaway today. So the giveaway, you just got to go over to Giver's Gain. You got to subscribe. Okay, you got to subscribe, and you got to comment Otter Gang. Otter Gang, gang, gang. So go over here Oops, there's the link. Comment Otter Gang. We get to 700, we do 2 giveaways. If you get to 650, we need 8 more. We'll do a 1-month membership to the Discord. Okay. We got 10 minutes till market opens. Trading is waiting. Sometimes, Chop City. Yeah, it's not. We're still looking lower. Still looking lower. Patience will prevail. Thank you, everybody, for being here, though. I do appreciate you guys. Happy Friday, everybody. Good old time here in the crypto world. JR, I'm finally learning that trading is waiting and more patience. Well, you'll realize that, man. If you keep taking trades, you're laddering in, you're not getting the position you want, your stop loss, your invalidation point's too expensive, right? The markets will humble you until you be patient. I mean, no problem, man. I'm just happy you're here, and I'm happy you're putting the work in, bro. That's what it is. I mean, you can't force it. It takes time in the charts. I think watching price action on whatever you're trading. I've been watching Bitcoin for 3 years, right? I've been trading Bitcoin focused. It takes time to understand the way the price moves on certain time frames and what to look for and how to take advantage of it, right? We have an SFP right now, higher low coming in, trying to push this higher high. We could justify a long in here if we break this high. We are still looking lower, though, right? We have downtrending momentum right now. Okay. We have VWAP above us as resistance. Flattening out here, standard deviation 1 holding. Starting to tap some Bollinger Bands, so possible continuation back up. But not everything that I'm looking for the trade, especially when lower would be better. That's what she said. So we wait. I mean, especially with an audience and trying to take trades with everybody, there's a responsibility to other people too. I'm not trying to get people wrecked. I'm not ever giving financial advice. I'm just a hobbit carpenter who presses buy and sell successfully, and I'm glad you're all here. Otter Gang. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You just go over to here, subscribe, comment Otter Gang to enter for the giveaway today at the end of the stream. Trying to get our friends, family over here, Billy Goat Tails, up to okay, we got 650. So we've hit the first one here. We got 171 comments. Good job, everybody. I guess I should have longed Pengu. Pengu's going absolutely to the friggin' moon. Why didn't you guys tell me to long Pengu? God. Look at this thing. Jeez. Holy smokes, guys. Pengu's up 3%. 3% for Pengu. Let's go. What about Erythrium? Erythrium looks like it's ready to go as well. Okay. Alts are pushing. Happy days. Green across the board. Going into market open. Let's not get faked out either, okay? A little bit of patience here. Looks like Bitcoin wants to go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 5 minutes till market opens. This is going to be a fun one today. You can already feel it, can't you? Beautiful bounce here on the retest of the previous lows for the NASDAQ. Continuation up here. Looking strong. The ES bouncing as well. Coming into our market open. The S&P over here. We're probably looking for a gap up, possibly. We'll see how it gaps this morning. We always love a good gap. Okay. Bitcoin rolling over. See? Why you don't chase price. You wait. You're gonna chase this thing? Look, it just rugged you. You press buy there, you don't buy green candles. You buy red candles. Okay? You buy red candles. It's always been helpful to me. Buy red candles. Keep it simple. Buy red candles. Right? Thank you guys for subscribing to Billy Goat Tales. That means a lot to me. They are family. And thank you guys for liking up the video. We got almost 200 likes now. So thank you very much. We'll see if we do catch some trades. We're like 6 for 7 with 2 break evens this week. So we've been trading. No trade yesterday. We waited for the SFP and the Discord. The Discord caught the long yesterday. That's it, Nick. That's it, buddy. Trading only place you need convincing to buy stuff when it's on sale. It's so true, Reggie. It's so true, man. Little fake out into this morning open here. Now rug. Now the rug. Brave Dave, what's going on? Drew, Mickey, Al Jr. Tilla, what's going on? Good to see you. Mito, Wave Cypher. Lewis, Dingbat, good to see you. Froth, Fax Lover, good to see you guys in here. Mickey, Otter Gang, Mickey asks us, do we ever trade bullish engulfing candles? The Otter Gang will answer you. This mouse is on one today. Rolling over here. Okay. Rolling on a river. All right, we got 2 minutes, guys. Still waiting here. Yes, we are looking here initially, but we are looking here as well, okay? $391 people here, 185 likes. That's awesome, guys. Thank you. We are magically we're magically doji engulfing traders, man. Is that how trading works? Well, you compound your account. That's how it can work. No likes equals small peepee. It looks like a button on a fur coat, LJ. That's see how we go here. When I went in and got my coffee, my son had taken the biggest poop I've ever seen. If you're wondering. So last night my son just had an upset stomach. So I went and slept on the couch. And it was about 3:30 in the morning. I guess it's a bad time to tell a story. Market is opening, everybody. Ding, 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 ding. S&P gapping up. Okay, we got a gap up on the S&P here. Got NASDAQ rugging everybody here. Big rug on the Nas. Bitcoin failing to make a higher high. Looks like we have continuation downwards. The Dixie pushing up, which is bearish, okay? Dixie pushing up here is bearish. NASDAQ rolling over. Caution here, guys. So big old SFP of the high. That looks pretty bearish in my opinion. All right. Bitcoin looks like it wants to roll over here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 420 people in here. The 420. 202 likes. So thank you, everybody, for smacking up those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. We are doing a giveaway today. If you just go over to Billy Goat Tails video over here, Giver's Gain, you got to subscribe, man. You got to subscribe. And subscribe, comment Otter Gang on the video. And we're doing the giveaway at 10 a.m., okay? 10 a.m. Okay. Doji and golfing. Market open. Pretty choppy this morning, everybody. This is a very highlighter price action, very thick, fat, ugly price action, right? It's not something I like to trade when we're trading very thick, right? Chop, 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 chop. Same with this on the way down. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, so this requires patience because it's building up trades in here, right? Liquidity. It's either building liquidity to the upside or the downside. Tapping our 618 right now. Look at that eventually. All the way from when we started this morning, all the way down to where we wanted it to go. Look how long that took. That's an hour and a half. Hour and a half. That's crazy, man. Crazy. Couple of fake outs, couple of SFPs in here. Nice pushback here. See if we get that bounce in here. Looks like we have follow through to the downside though, and also going off the Nas, you know, not looking too healthy here. Okay, could be coming back down to test these lows in here today for the no patient. Is anybody in any trades? Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Would love to know. Just waiting right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 1, 2, 2. 1, 1. Waiting. Okay. 2, 2. I like 2 2s. 69. Michael. Michael knows what's up, man. It's Friday, baby. Demetrius is closed. Okay. Sitting on my thumb. All right. We got bull divs down in here right now. Bull divs. 618. Still got room to the downside on the 8-minute, 12-minute as well. Nice push here. $24 is flattening out. This is just going to tap the 618. Come on, really? Really? Is it going to run on us, guys? What do you guys think? That would be nasty, man. That'd be nasty. Nas is holding here. That would be quite nasty. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you go over here and comment Billy Goat Tails, everybody. Comment Otter Gang for the giveaway. Bitcoin pushing. Nice candle. Dwight Simpson long the 618. Nice job, man. We have a break of structure to the upside here. Continuation up right now. Pushing into our VWAP. Nice push here. Break of the highs. Okay, coming into VWAP. We can look for continuation trade. Big push here. Coming into VWAP right now. Slap. VWAP slap. Reckon late shorts. Possibly. Big momentum to the upside here, everybody. Possible short from VWAP. No trade for me. Bottom of the orb is here so far. VWAP slap. Get follow through here possibly. Retest the previous highs. Continuation trade possibly. Coming down right now. Looking for a continuation trade possibly here. Coming into our double resistance right now, so we'll see. Looking for follow through here. Come a little lower, get long. Come a little lower, we can get long. I want to get along, man. See if we continue here. Push down, slap, slap and go. Slap and go. Come on, baby. Slap and go. Continuation trade. I'm considering a long here. I'd like to see a little bit lower. Look at that VWAP slap. Perfect. Perfect VWAP slap. No trade for me on that. I'm considering long here. We've broken structure to the upside. Continuation here. Nice sweep of the lows. Continuation. I'm going to go half a position size here, I think. Let me see. Yeah, half a position size. It's a big stop loss. I can add to this trade. If I want, I'm in. See if we continue here. Looking for follow through. Looking for follow through here. Taking first TP at the high here. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Maybe you go even higher. Come on, baby. Push it. Don't be greedy. Don't be a dick for a tick, AlexOCrypto. Ooh, here we go. We're being greedy. Come on. Take it. Thank you. Stop loss to entry. F you, Pengu. Take that, Pengu. Eat my shorts, Pengu. GG's, everybody. Otter gang, gang, gang. Stupid penguin. Stupid. Eat my shorts, Pengu. GG's, everybody. Bitcoin to the moon, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Send it. Send it, send it, send it. Come on, baby. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Gang, 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 gang. Fridays, baby. All right, so first target, I guess if we are looking for targets, obviously sweep of the highs, holding VWAP. We'll see if it does hold VWAP here. Now that we've pushed above, you can re-enter on the VWAP slap continuation trade. It's totally up to you. Looking to come for this high here. We'll see if we get it. Might get stopped out. That's fine. Next TP. Trying to get above this downwards resistance as well. So breakout retest like we talked about at the beginning of the stream. Okay. Might get stopped out here. That's fine too. This could be an SFP of the highs in here, right? An SFP of the highs and rotation back down. Okay, it's very possible. Holding up by VWAP right now, so we'll see. Nice little scalp, though. Continuation trade. That's it, man. You guarantee yourself some money. On to the next trade. Okay, this is a SFP of the highs, a little fake out. Possibly getting stopped out right now, but that's fine. We've guaranteed us some money. Quick little $80. There we go. Stopped out. On to the next trade. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up that like button. Subscribe if you are new. Okay. Great SFP of the highs here. VWAP didn't hold. There's a pretty much a break-even trade, right? We were talking about break-even trades. Happens all the time. Okay, next trade setup, right? And look, we're not losing money, right? We're not losing money, and that's the key here. Preservation of capital, giving us an opportunity to possibly run it. Coming right back down into our level in here. 618, 786, bounce level, okay? On to the next one. On to the next one. Nice SFP, man. That's a nice SFP. Rotation down now. You want to watch Pengu? Yeah, garbage. Rotation down. Orb high coming in. You could just chop orb today. That would be interesting. Scalper's paradise. We are doing a giveaway. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 450 people here. Go over to the video. Comment Otter Gang, please. Otter Gang. If we can get another 50 subscribers, we're gonna do 2 giveaways here. Go over here. Comment Otter Gang, please. What are we at now? Comment Otter Gang.
Have you ever had a
so we need 40 more subscribers
that felt so
over here,
big?
guys. Get over here. Subscribe to the channel. All right, chopping an orb here. 24 green dot printing, VWAP crossover, looking good. Hourly trigger wave forming. Okay, couple of bullish things coming through here. Looking good here on the shorter term time frames. This looks juicy. Got anchor trigger here. We got 1 hour curving up. What do we got on the Nas here? The NASDAQ is still rolling over. Okay, a little bit of contrarian here with the NASDAQ dumping here, trying to hold on. Bitcoin pushing up here. Let's see if we can get above VWAP. I don't think there's a trade until we do. I want to see a breakout retest or a breakout continuation here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out, subscribing, all those good things. Happy Friday, everybody. God bless you guys. We do have a Discord live today at noon. Looking forward to that, everybody. Maybe we find some trades there as well. Chop City this morning. Chop City. Nas is pushing back here. Bitcoin trying to push through. Anybody get long again? I mean, long down here would have been nice. Trying to break through again. Continuation here. No trade for me, just waiting. VWAP slap again. Still waiting here. You got long again. Billy's on fire lately, man. You took a long off my stop loss. Okay, that's cool, man. Glad I could help. Glad I could help, man. Got long as well. Going to 105,000. Rotation to the highs? Possibly, yeah. If we get above a VWAP here in the orb. Look for some continuation here. Trying to push. Bitcoin's trying to push. You can tell. Get them bought up on a Friday. Indecision right now. I don't know if the bulls have been sufficiently swept this morning. I don't know if they're happy with that. That's a pretty dismal low. But we'll see. No trade yet. Still waiting. Still got continuation here, trying to push. Still waiting. Your VWAP settings right here, bud. Screenshot all you want. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Trying to hold above VWAP here and this downwards trend line momentum. Possible trade setup here. Not a very good invalidation point. But we could get rotation up to 105. Key level as well. I am looking up there as well. It seems quite trappy this morning, though. This seems like you're trapping longs. In here, this to me seems very trappy. So it's no trade for me. Pengu's ripping. Everybody trading Pengu and Dogecoin. I like Sui. Solana's looking good. Nice push, like we said, on Sui or on Solana. Bitcoin's trying to continue here. How's Ethereum for our man over there face? Ethereum looks okay. Bear flag, though. Bear flag on Ethereum. Looks okay here. Trying to hold VWAP. Possible. This is like a B setup in my opinion, though. It's not something that. Yeah. What a whole bunch of dog's breakfasts. That's what we call this price action here. I guess the Americans don't know what dog's breakfast is. Do you guys know what the dog's breakfast is? So it means it looks like crap. It looks like the dog's breakfast. Yeah, it looks like yuck. Giga Chad is ripping. Let's go, Giga Chad. Crypto Billy. Exactly, Sammy. Possible continuation here, guys. It's holding. It's holding. Just no trade for me on this one. It's holding. Could go. Guys, if you're not over here subscribing to Givers Gain 111, we got 661 subscribers. Your last chance. Go over here. Comment Otter Gang. We're doing the giveaway. Okay? Get over here. Comment Otter Gang. Support good people, good friends of the channel.
Have you ever had?
All right, get over here. We're gonna do the giveaway. Make sure you subscribe. Let's try and get this. We got you almost 60 subscribers. Let's go, baby. That's awesome, guys. Thank you guys for coming through for Billy and the team over there. We'll do the giveaway very shortly here. Looks like Bitcoin's trying to push. Trying to push. Can it go? The longer this delays, though, the longer I'm inclined to think we don't go up, but gotta go. We're breaking the momentum here. 5 minutes on this candle. I'd like to see a 15-minute candle close above this trend line here. I know a bunch of you guys are long, aren't you? I know a bunch of you are long. I'm hoping for you guys. You can say you're long. I won't. I like you to say you're long now before we pump, because I know you're going to tell me if we do pump. Oh, I'm long now. You guys are already clicking the buy button. I know you guys. Verified leverage. All you have to do is go over to the video and comment Otter Gang. There we go. There's all the confessions. All the confessions in the chat. I love it. Frost says, come on, dump it. Frost says, dump it. We got Michigan consumer sentiment at 10 a.m., everybody. We got news in 5 minutes, guys. Michigan consumer sentiment, 5 minutes. You may be do 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 do. It's the university sentiment. You may be in trouble. You may not be in trouble. Pushing up here. Pushing up for all those longs. To enter the giveaway, you go over to this video, comment Otter Gang for our friends. I call trap 2 Dutch. And if it isn't a trap, at least we're not on risk. No trade for me. No trade for me. I prefer this down here. But that's me. You guys are adults. You guys can make your own decisions. You guys could win here. I'm not saying you're not going to win. I'm just saying be careful. The 24 and the 12 minute look good. Candle closed above the high here. Looking strong, okay? I ain't downplaying it. This looks good. This does look good. Push it, Bitcoin, for all the longs in the chat. Push it, baby. Let's go. 3 minutes till the news comes out, everybody. It's pushing. Push it, Bitcoin. Go on, baby. Make the gang rich, baby. Rich, rich, rich. Dingbat says, dump it, please. Oh, Junior, you're yelling at me. With this pump now and the lower momentum build, that strong bear div? Yeah, we don't want to sweep the all-time highs, Al Junior, but we'll see. Rich or wrecked, that's the one, man. 2 minutes. Nice push for Biddy. Lots of levels in here to SFP. Nice break above the momentum. This is slow and painful, baby. Slow and painful. NASDAQ in some chop here, but starting to push back. That's okay. SPY holding. SPY pushing as well. So that's okay as well. 1 minute. One minute for news. Stop loss to entry, people. Please don't get wrecked. Who knows? It may not even. It may be a nothing burger. I don't know. I'm not a news forecaster, even though the news, it's all fake numbers, anyways. The only thing that's real is that we're doing a giveaway. Go over here, comment Otter Gang. We'll let the news come in, then we'll do the giveaway. Then we're gonna go and enjoy our weekend and hang out with the Discord, man, because the Discord is where the alpha is. 10 seconds. Boom. Coming down. Coming down. Going up, coming down. Going up, coming down. False move possibly, but coming down. Coming in under expectations. Okay. Coming below expectations. I'm not sure if that's bullish or bearish. All I know is that we're aware-ish. No trade for me, guys. Okay, we're going to do the giveaway. So make sure you guys go over here, comment Otter Gang. We got up to how many subscribers, guys? We got about...
Have you ever had
I'm
a dream
unsubscribe. It's 666,
that
Billy.
felt so
I'm
big
unsubscribe for now.
it scared you?
I'll resubscribe
What if I told
when you
you
get to
that
665
there?
or above that. I'll resubscribe. We can't have,
Have you ever had
the devil's
a
number on
dream
Giver's Game, baby.
that felt so big
Can't have the devil's number
it
right
scared
now.
you?
Thank you guys for subscribing to Billy Goat Tales. No trade right now. Letting it bake a little bit. Got 211 comments. Great job, everybody. Great job, everybody. I try to keep it holy. I'll resubscribe. All right. Dump and pump. Dump and pump. Can we get it? We'll see. No trade for me. Let's do the comment picker here. All you have to do is come over and show your beautiful, beautiful YouTube name. Filter comments. You just got to comment Otter Gang. Thank you guys for going over and supporting our friends. 8 plus 8 is 12. I'm going to get those comments, baby. And if you are already part of our Discord and you're subscribed, then we can definitely hook you up with some USDT, okay? $30 or something. Yeah, $30. We typically do $30. All right. You guys are all over there. 4 plus 1. We'll do it again one more time. 116 unique comments. Blow this thing up here. What's our duration here? Do we have 15 seconds? Yes, we do. We're going to do the giveaway here for the membership to the Discord. Coming in hot. Let's go. Otter Gang. A cozy. I'm writing your name down. See, I got to write it down. A cozy. Because I forget, man. I screenshot that. Congratulations, A cozy. Come over to the Discord. Otter Talk over here. Verify, please. Congratulations, A cozy. Winner, chicken dinner. Otter Gang. Guys, thank you so much for supporting our friends over there at Billy Goat Tales. If you're already part of the Discord, just come and claim it. Show me your A cozy username on a screenshot. We'll get you hooked up either way, man. Looks like Bitcoin's rolling over here. Big fake out this morning, guys. So trade safe. Thank you guys for supporting Billy and our friends over there at Billy Goat Tales. A beautiful week, man. A beautiful week. We're in a range. Treat it like a range, okay? If you are new here, subscribe. We're here trading every single day. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Whatever you're into, enjoy your weekend. God bless you. And have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everybody. And I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news.